Hey guys, it's Dan with RVI. Hey, today in our flat towing guide series, we're going to be talking about lighting kits for your towed vehicle. In the world of lighting kits, there's an awful lot of different ways that you can go with these type of systems. Every tow bar manufacturer out there, Roadmaster, Blue Ox, Demco, they all make a lighting kit for towed vehicles so that you can purchase along with your tow bar or separate. You can get them at any time. And there's also some lighting kits that you can buy on Amazon or go to Walmart, any of those stores. Those would typically be magnetic lights that would mount on the back of the towed vehicle. And then you would have to run a wire up over the towed vehicle and then plug it in to the 6 or 7-way plug on the back of the motorhome. Those are kind of nice if you're in a hurry and you needed to travel, you didn't have time to get a lighting kit installed. That's a perfectly okay way to go. It's legal and it would get the job done. I would say for the most part, the best lighting kits out there are kits that get installed where you remove the rear lenses on the towed vehicle, and then these light bulbs would either go in and replace the existing light bulb, or that you would add an extra light bulb in the lens of the towed vehicle, and then the wiring would go up underneath the towed vehicle and then plug into the umbilical cord at the front of the vehicle. So it's really, this is a matter of doing a little research, calling each of the manufacturers, and just finding the lighting kit that makes the most sense for the vehicle you have. And I would say that's another part of this. There's some towed vehicles that certain light kits work better on. So when you're talking to your manufacturer, make sure you tell them the type of vehicle you have, and they can guide you down the road of, like, you know, this type or that type is just going to install much easier with your towed vehicle. But not a lot to process here, as a matter of just getting the right kit for the type of vehicle that you own. So guys, as you can see, there are a lot of different ways to put lighting kits on your towed vehicle. It really doesn't matter which one you choose, as long as you get a kit that just suits your needs. So if you have any questions about this video, don't hesitate to text, phone, or email our customer service champions. And as always, happy RVing.